Hello everyone, I am Joe Cruose and welcome to another tutorial demonstration for my new product, the Pomodoro Timer widget. What you're seeing right now on my screen is the studio of the free version of my Pomodoro Timer. Just like any of my widget studio, this studio allows you to change the color of your widget into 10 colors inspired by Notion. If you press the dark mode button, it automatically transforms the widget's background, as well as the colors to better match the Notion dark mode colors. Overall, we have about 20 Notion colors for the free version. For the text style, we can also choose between white and black. For this setup, I will stick to a monochrome setup just to demonstrate to you how it would look like. Other than colors, you may also opt for 25 minutes as your main interval, or you could also choose the 50-minute interval, which is also another common Pomodoro option. Sadly, unlike in the Pro version, you cannot really tweak any of the intervals. Once you're satisfied with the setup, you can now copy the link and embed it to your workspace. And now you have a Pomodoro timer to your very own Notion workspace. Here are all the modes you can use. To choose a mode, just click the Start button to proceed. Unlike the Pro version, lo-fi music isn't available. Just to demonstrate, here is also a dark mode version of the same widget. Now, let's go over the premium features of the Pro Studio. Here, you have better freedom in choosing your own style. You can change the colors of your widget and its text to any color you choose. For the intervals, you may tweak each mode to up to a maximum of 90 minutes. Finally, you may also choose 1 out of 10 lo-fi tracks, which will automatically play every time you use the timer. All of the audio tracks are made and produced by Purple Cat. You may check the link in the description to check their other tracks. Now that we're done setting up, we can finally embed it into the workspace. As you can see, starting the timer will automatically trigger the audio. You may also silence the audio by just clicking the audio visualizer. For this, I'll try to finish this short break so you can hear the sound effect when the mode has been finished. While we wait, I'll just show you the dark mode version. And as you've just heard, it makes a faint ding sound to signify that the timer has stopped. That is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.